Nah, Samanya, I'm trying to avoid copyright. Nah, Samanya, please don't take down my video. No, I don't know. No, all the world. No, nah, I don't even know if this is right. No.
We're trying to do a photo, Matthew. You didn't even pose for the photo.
I looked.
That's alright, babe. Bo is singing all the fucking words.
Yeah, he is. Might as well start recording now. All right, yeah. And 3, 2, 1. All right, and hello and welcome everybody to a special edition of the currently untitled review series hosted by the fat fella himself, me, Matt Jones. All right, so we've been all around the park. We are here at Disneyland, motherfucking Disneyland. And it is late fucking o'clock as far as I'm concerned, and now we have Dole Whip ice cream. I have no idea what Dole Whip is, but all I know is that it was starting to melt, so I've already tasted it. It's fucking delicious. But it's this right here, fucking orange flavor. Oh my god. Everything so far today has been fucking magnificent. Started off with the goddamn Monte Carlos. No, fuck that. We started off with breakfast burritos. So good. Went over to the Monte Cristos. I had some.
Just review the Monte Carlo right now.
Wait.
I make it a multi-Disney review.
You need to show me doing this.
Yeah.
Get close to the ASMR.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Smith.
Are you just going to do a compilation of all the food you eat in Disneyland?
Probably.
Opinions?
That's a really good idea.
So good. I had some pommes frites. They're fucking, yeah, they're like cheesy fucking garlic fucking French fries with this dope ass dip. And then after that, what do we have? Oh, that's right. Fucking fruit bar, whatever it was. It was frozen. It was delicious, and it was well needed, very much needed, because it was hot, and I was dying out there. I'm fucking dying. I'm fat as fuck, and I needed shit to get me through the day. So I got it. It had sugar, it had fucking cold, and it was delicious. And this, same goddamn thing.
I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, Olaf bars. Yeah, no, true portion, but it's delicious.
Oh my god, it's like a big stick.
You know, also like a big stick.
Oh, it does taste. Falls in hell.
I'm gonna have to NSFW this video. Alright, now that Bo's not around to make this not safe for work, we can actually tell you how these things taste. Kik, how does it taste?
Delicious. Scrumptious.
Goddamn right. Delicious and scrumptious. Once
Starburst
again,
strawberries.
good fucking job, Disney. Yay. Oh my god. Yeah. We're in. What land are we in right now? Jungle Land? Adventure Land.
We need it for to cool our throats from all the screaming.
Needed to cool our throats. Because we just did Thunder Mountain at night. and I am not a roller coaster fan, and so I was screaming a lot. But I made a bunch of 12-year-olds' day, so I felt really good about that.
Got you good. Probably accurate. 12 to 14.
Yeah, 12 to 14. Yeah. So this is a suit that I throw us before we go through the Haunted Mansion, watch some fireworks, and then we're going to go do the Matterhorn at 11 o'clock at night. Motherfucking 11 o'clock at night. Matterhorn. Hella fun. All right. So that's it for now for this. Probably going to do a few other things. I have no idea.
If I scream in the elevator.
Again, special edition, Fat Fella, coming to you from fucking Disneyland. So go ahead, fucking subscribe, like, fucking ring the bell, comment, do all that kind of shit. Check out my Instagram at Faces of a Fat Fella. Check out the links for all the other shit down there. Oh, fuck yeah. I have no idea how this video is going to turn out. All I know is that this has been a hell of a fucking day and a great fucking weekend. So you know what? As always, don't be a dick. Some motherfucking lobster mac and cheese. What was the place called? Harbor Grill?
Harbor Galley.
Harbor Galley. Which, by the way, this is a seasonable soup.
Got a little dash of sriracha.
So good.
Little kick.
Yeah, it's
So
that hair
good.
thick, like-
Steph, come over here and try this.
At least you try mac and cheese stick.
The
No,
sriracha
try it
is,
on
like,
camera. Try it on
perfect,
camera. Get over here and try it on camera. Get over here. No, get over here. Nah, get over here.
Where you go slide.
I was on it,
She was on it.
but there's no point. Just try it.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. I'm shaking too much.
Okay, yep.
Thumbs up.
It's a texture thing for me. But
Steph is trying lobster. Steph is trying lobster.
show me where it is. There's no bread. It tastes like clam.
So is that a yes or a no?
Well, I like clam chowder, so so I think that's a yes.
So it's a thumbs up. There it is. There it is.
Thumb of approval.
Why are you filming me?
This is creepy.
Because what?